Hello students, in this class we will learn about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are two or more fractions which represent the same part of the whole. So then how to find the equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions can be obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number. So here students, we'll take a few examples. The first example, write 4 equivalent fractions of 1 by 3. So then how to write the equivalent fractions of 1 by 3? So according to the definition, equivalent fraction can be obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number. So now multiply with 2, the same number. Multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number. And students, don't multiply with 1 because we will get the same fraction. So multiply with 2 now. So 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. This is the first equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. Then the second equivalent fraction, 1 by 3, then multiply with, so here we multiplied by 2, then now multiply with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. This is the second equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. Then the third one, 1 by 3. Now multiply with 4. 1 into 4, 1 fours are 4, 3 fours are 12. This is the third equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. Next, the last one, fourth equivalent fraction, multiply by 5. 5 ones are 5, 3 into 5, 3 fives are 15. So this is the fourth equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. So at the end, write students, 1 by 3 is equal to the first equivalent fraction 2 by 6 into the second equivalent fraction 3 by 9 is equal to third equivalent fraction, that is 4 by 12. Then the fourth equivalent fraction, that is 5 by 15. This is the answer. And one more thing, if they ask write the 3 equivalent fractions, means 1, 2, 3 up to right you had to write. Then if they ask one more step, that is the write 5 equivalent fractions, means you need to do one more step. Second example, write the 4 equivalent fractions of 1 by 8. So the first one, 1 by 8 into, now multiply with 2. 2 ones are, 1 into 2, 2 ones are 2. Then 8 twos are 16. This is the first equivalent fraction of 1 by 8. Then the second one, 1 by 8 into, multiply with 3 now. 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, 8 into 3, 8 threes are 24. This is the second equivalent fraction of 1 by 8. The third one, 1 by 8 into, now multiply with 4 now. 1 into 4, 1 fours are 4, 8 fours are 32. This is the third equivalent fraction of 1 by 8. Then fourth one, 1 by 8 into, now multiply with 5. 1 into 5, 1 fives are 5, 8 fives are 40. This is the fourth equivalent fraction. So here at the end, therefore 1 by 8 is equal to 2 by 16, 3 by 24, 4 by 32 is equal to 5 by 40. Equivalent fractions of 1 by 8. This is the answer. The third one, find the 4 equivalent fractions of 5 by 9. So here write 5 by 9 into 2 into 2. So 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 16. First equivalent fraction. Second one, 5 by 9 into, multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number. So 5 3s are 15, 9 3s are 27. 5 by 9 into 4 into 4, 4 by 4. 5 4s are 20, 9 4s are 36. Then D, 5 by 9 into 5, 5. 5 5s are 25, 9 5s are 45. So at the end, 5 by 9 is equal to, equivalent fractions of 5 by 9 are 10 by 16, 15 by 27, 20 by 36, 25 by 45. This is the answer. Next example, 7 by 10. So now write here 7 by 10. Multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number. Start with 2. 7 2s are 14. 10 2s are 20. First equivalent fraction of 7 by 10. 7 by 10 into 3 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 10 3s are 30. Second equivalent fraction into, here 4 divided by 4. 7 4s are 28, 10 4s are 40. Third equivalent fraction of 7 by 10. 7 by 10 into 5 into 5. 7 5s are 35, 10 5s are 40. This is the fourth equivalent fraction of 7 by 10. So here write equivalent fraction of 7 by 10 is equal to the first one 14 divided by 20, the second one 21 divided by 30, the third one 28 divided by 40, then the fourth one 35 divided by 50. This is the answer. Last example, 3 by 8. Find the equivalent fractions of, write the 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 8. So now 3 by 8 into 3 into 2, 8 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16. Then B, 3 by 8 into 3 into 3, 8 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24. 3 by 8 divided by 4, 4. 3 4s are 12, 8 4s are 32. Then here 3 by 8, multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number. 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, 8 5s are 40. So here write 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8 is equal to, write the first equivalent fraction, that is 6 by 16. Second equivalent fraction is equal to 9 by 24. The third equivalent fraction is 12 by 32. Then fourth equivalent fraction of 3 by 8 is equal to 15 divided by 40. This is the answer. Dear children, copy the given notes to your classwork and do the given homework. Thank you.